Hi, I'm Gavin Baker from iTRAK Real Estate. I'm at 179 Karingal Drive here in Frankston. Come with me and take a tour of this home and see the flexibility that it offers for a first home buyer or even a person that needs just that little bit more space. Come on, come with me, let's take a look. The kids will be spoilt for choice with 4 bedrooms and a study to choose from. This home offers plenty of space to introduce another walk-through robe with complete ensuite. Spread yourself out in a spacious L-shaped lounge dining area. Apparently, orange is the new black, but if you don't like the carpet, there's always the hardwood floor underneath. Cook up a storm with the wonderful 5-burner cooktop. A great sized patio, ideal for entertaining all year round. So there you have it. This magnificent 4-bedroom with a study home can be kept that way if you wish, or transform it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom and a study. The choice is all yours. It's close to Karingal, the beach, schools. This location has it all. Unfortunately, the family have to sell it, and they have to sell it soon. Don't be the one to miss out. It's in the first home buyers bracket and it can be all yours.